Poverty is very common in Greater Noakhali district, especially in Chor area. Caused by river erosion and polarization process resulted thousands of people displaced from their original lands and 40,000 hectare potential rice growing land went under seasonal water low condition, the root causes of poverty in the area. Greater Noakhali Aquaculture Extension Project GNAEP is the project of Department of Fisheries funded by Danish International Development Agency (DANIDA). The overall goal of the project is to improve the lives of the poor fish farmers by raising income from their available water resources through promotion of improved and sustainable cultivation practice. In 2002, based on its perception of the high feasibility of integrated pond farming, the project adopted a new strategy to introduce these aquaculture system amongst its target beneficiaries, particularly in the Chor and waterlogged areas, because prawns are sold to the export market and are thus of very high value compared with the traditional crops. In order to facilitate expansion of prawn farming in these areas, in 2002, GNAEP initiated a pilot program in 3 upazilas. On the basis of the experience gained from the piloting program, the project has begun to expand prawn farming and has implemented a number of other measures to ensure its sustainability. As a prerequisite for the whole efforts, the project has sought to strengthen the organizational and staff capacity of its team in technical issues and participatory aspect of integrated farming system development. In introducing the prawn culture, the project has tried to avoid the typical transfer of standard technology to the new farmers, emphasize rather simple culture methods in the first instance. Over the cultivation period, the project staff facilitate a learning process to ensure proper understanding of the farmers about what to do and what not to do for better results. In effect, the farmers' education process follows the principle of participatory technology development, whereby farmers are involved in the whole process from planning to impact evaluation of the activities taking place in their villages. This process results in much quicker acceptance of the farming system by the farmers. In line with the household approach long adopted by GNAEP, the new skills are provided to both male and female members of the household, each of whom has a specific role in the integrated farming system promoted by the project. Women are mainly involved in dry cropping and homemade feed preparation, which is the important contribution to the farming system. It should be noted that rice and vegetable both make a significant contribution to the net returns. By using low levels of external imports, production cost and the risks usually associated with pond farming are reduced. These production systems try to avoid the use of any types of chemical, preservative, hormone in and aspects of prawn production system, from prawn hatchery operation to grow out. To strengthen pesticide and chemical-free import using, the project has encouraged local farmers in home-made feed pellets using locally available ingredients. The manufacture of feed and the overall supply of inputs are partly organized through community-based organizations or local entrepreneurs, some of which have developed from the pond farming groups themselves. To address the issue of quality prawn seed scarcity of the project, has facilitated the establishment and operation of 2 medium large-scale prawn hatcheries in the Noakhali area by the private sector. The project provides close supervision of the operation of these hatcheries to try to minimize technical problems and to ensure that supplies of quality PL reach its target farmers. In order to avoid inbreeding problems, hatcheries always are using river origin brood and avoiding using any types of antibiotic or harmful chemicals in its production systems. These hatcheries used to supply a certain portion of its production PL as interest-free credit in kinds to the poorest farmers, as well as operating their own extension service. Therefore, private sector is playing an important role in empowering poor people to undertake pond farming in their water resources. The work in import supply is matched by effort of development of prawn marketing network. In this respect, the project has facilitated the establishment of prawn processing agent of selective processing plant in Noakhali to receive prawn from farmers. It is hoped that improving and supporting post-harvest prawn handling and marketing facilities at the local level will ensure high quality and high price for the farmer's product. To this end, the project is partnering with the Same Seal of Quality SSOQ initiative to create awareness among different stakeholders in the subsector on the need to ensure quality product, so as to gain a brand image for Noakhali prawn in the international market. The project has also facilitated the establishment of community managed resource and learning center at union level to ensure farmers sustainable access to any further information they may need for integrated farming system. Coordinated extension support and other elements of the farming system is also ensured through resource learning center at union level. GNAEP sponsored program already drawn attention of different stakeholders, especially the local governments, public representatives, civil societies, and policymakers. It is perceived that the greatest potential for further expansion lies with culture of prawn in the vast area of waterlogged paddy field that are found in the Noakhali. It is estimated that up to 40,000 hectares of such land exist, quite similar in the nature to the area originally developed for prawn culture in Khulna and Bagherhat. Overall, the existing context in the greater Noakhali area is very favorable for prawn farming expansion, and there is every possibility for gaining a brand image with the support of SSOQ. Finally, it is considered the prawn farming can be developed as a viable option to the benefit of poor farmers. It will increase not only their household income within shorter period, but will also generate wider employment and business opportunities that will help them to address their livelihood needs as well as contribution to the national economy.